Hey, it's Ryan from upfitsupply.com, and in this video we're going to be installing some WeatherGuard cargo rings on our WeatherGuard headache rack. Let's get started. All right, WeatherGuard does provide an installation guide in the box. It's got all the little cautions and warnings and so on, so make sure you reference this for the ultimate source of information. Of course, we're doing our best to follow it as well. Now, you're going to get two of these in the kit. I'm just going to demonstrate attaching one of these. It's kind of a three-piece assembly. You're going to have the ring, a black plate, and then this plastic red plate like this. Will come together like so with a Allen head bolt. And you're gonna have this square nut that's going to go into the channel on the headache rack. Depending on where you want to mount this, if you want to mount it on top, I guess you can do that. Typically this is gonna be mounted on the side. I'm just gonna go ahead and pre-thread this a little bit. I can slide it into my location right here. And depending on where I want to put it, then I'm just going to take an Allen wrench, tighten this up like so. We have a nice little ring to attach our cargo and secure things as well. Matches these rings really well on the crossover boxes as well. Now, if you're looking for that accessory, the headache rack, your WeatherGuard crossover boxes, or whatever you need to get your truck or van ready for work, we've got what you need at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.